So for today's unboxing we have a rather unique item. It is essentially a screwdriver kit. It is made by placed atoms here at the top. And it is designed by, well, that little logo there, but Giaco whatever, which is almost a one-man operation. There's a website there, based out of Italy. You have the founders. This is a Kickstarter item essentially, and they only made 5% more units than the original Kickstarter pre-order run, and then that is it forever. So let's get into it. It's a nice packaging sleeve, but that's not what we're here for. So there we go. What else is in the sleeve? A couple of other extras, and the sleeve is empty. So I think these are the Kickstarter backers on the back here, the founders. So I'll put that to the side. So this is the screwdriver case itself, which is made out of cork. Interestingly, feels quite nice. Let's go through the extras. We have the obligatory silica gel packet. This was the marketing line for this product. You don't need that. Kinetic driver, so that's a sticker there. Then we have another sticker of the screwdriver silhouette. Then we have the I Want You Back Need Bit Replacement program. So if you break any of these micro bits that are included, you can get replacements for free. You'd have to be putting a fair bit of effort to break any of these tool steel rated bits, I think. So, but that's nice, and you get a little extra elastic band. So we'll go ahead and start opening it. So very nice, unique case. A bit of thought went into this one. So that is the band off, and we'll go ahead and open it. So it retails for about 75 euros. There is a limited edition which goes for 100 euros, and they are selling out. So if you'd like one, you probably should order one earlier rather than later. It is expensive for a screwdriver, but it is designed to last forever. So it's very weighty. I got the brass edition, and wow, it is just quality. You have a ceramic bearing, so when you're screwing something, you can, well, like that, I suppose. You can probably hear the bearing. The bearing is replaceable as well, should it wear down over time, but you'd be having to do a lot of screwing for that. Very weighty, perfectly balanced, just as all things should be, and feels great in the hand. Wow, that is a very nice screwdriver. So then you have the screw bits here themselves. You have a variety of different options. I believe the list is basically here if you're looking for something particular. This actually replaces another screwdriver set which I had, but the bits look pretty much all the same. You have the standard Phillips head, then you have some more niche ones like Torx. Flatheads are in here as well, and you have not sure what this one is called, but it's a tri-bit, I think, maybe. Then you have some small hex ones. So by no means it's a comprehensive set. But it's just basically designed to look really nice and be good for hobby work. Sorry about that. But this is the main weighted part, so all the weight is on the bottom and helps you drive the screw home. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing of the Giaco whatever Kinetic driver. Thanks.